If you're looking for an efficient way to manage client interactions, SuiteDash's client portal could be the perfect tool for you. In this video, we'll quickly break down how to use the SuiteDash client portal to streamline communication and collaboration with your clients. Stick around because we'll also reveal an exclusive free trial offer at the end, plus a few alternatives that might just be better suited for your needs. Let's dive in. First, once you're logged into SuiteDash, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here, you can easily access your client portal, which serves as a central hub for all client communications, project tracking, file sharing, and more. The key here is that everything is organized in one place, saving you the hassle of juggling multiple platforms. Next, you'll see your client list. From here, you can add or remove clients, view their specific details, and tailor each client's experience based on their needs. For instance, you can customize their portal with personalized branding, making it feel more like a dedicated space just for them. This level of customization gives your clients a more professional, personalized experience. The next thing you'll want to explore is the document sharing feature. SuiteDash allows you to securely upload, share, and collaborate on files with your clients. You can control access, ensuring that only the right people can view or edit sensitive information. This feature is especially useful for legal documents, contracts, or any project-specific files that need secure storage and easy sharing. Moving on, SuiteDash also includes a robust messaging system. This is one of the main tools for client interaction. Instead of relying on email or external chat apps, everything can be done within a SuiteDash platform. You can send direct messages to your clients, reply to messages, and keep track of your conversation history in an organized way. Another feature worth noting is the task management system. Within the client portal, you can create tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and track progress. This feature helps you stay on top of projects and ensures that both you and your clients know exactly where things stand. Now, while SuiteDash offers many powerful features for client interaction, there are some things you might not like. For example, its interface can feel a bit clunky and overwhelming at first. The learning curve might be steep for new users, and while the system is highly customizable, it can take some time to fully set up. Additionally, some features, like the mobile app, aren't as polished as you might expect from a top-tier platform. The fourth thing we'll cover is the billing and invoicing system. SuiteDash allows you to create invoices and manage payments directly from within the platform. This saves you time by centralizing your invoicing process, but it may not be as advanced as some dedicated accounting software. If you're handling complex finances, you might find SuiteDash's billing system lacking in advanced features. As a final point, SuiteDash is a solid choice for client management, but like any tool, it's not perfect. Depending on your business needs, you might find that it lacks certain features or has a user experience that could be improved. Before you go, here's the exciting part. I've partnered up with SuiteDash to offer you an exclusive extended free trial. But that's not all. There are other software options that can also help you achieve similar goals. Some even have features that SuiteDash lacks. Be sure to check out these alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you're ready to try SuiteDash for yourself or explore some other fantastic options, make sure to use our link below for that exclusive trial offer. Thanks for watching.